What's up, investors? It's Mike from MJF Invest. Today's video is going to be about AquaBounty Technologies, ticker symbol AQB. But before I get into that, please hit that like button. An early thumbs up really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. It's a young YouTube channel. I've been working really hard. These videos take time, the research, putting them together. So if you find any value in this video at all, please hit that like button because it does go a long way. If you're a positive investor and you love this process, also consider hitting that subscribe button. I feel like this is a great place for you if you're the type of person that likes to share ideas, strategies, and just talk about stocks in a positive way, in a constructive way. I'd love to have you as part of the channel if you're that type of person. So hit that subscribe button. Consider hitting the bell notification so you're notified when I upload new content. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so you should be doing all your own research. It's ultimately your decision whether you want to buy any of the stocks I talk about on this channel. And let's talk stocks in the comments section. AquaBounty Technologies, we've been talking about this one for a while. I have a pretty low average cost. I got some long calls that I bought that I plan on exercising because I really want to build a large position here. I believe this is a $100 stock in the making. We're in the very early stages of this company. Right now I'm pulled up lucidtracking.com. Lucid Tracking will tell you all the trades that Ark Invest has made for each day. And it's a pretty interesting site, if you're not familiar with it. I also get the Ark Invest trade email. I get it daily. But that doesn't always have everything on it. Lucid Tracking does a very good job of letting you know every trade that Ark makes during each day individually. So if you're not following that and you love Ark and you want to know what Kathy Wood and the Ark team is doing, that's a suggestion that I make. I also would suggest go on the Ark website and subscribe to all their newsletters. They have a real open source research, and they share their information with everyone, whoever wants it. So you can go, and if you like one ETF more than the other, or if you like robotics more than you like genomics, you can apply to, you could subscribe to all of them, or you could just subscribe to the ones that interest you. That's something that I really suggest, especially if you're a newer investor. Right now, we're looking at what Ark has been doing, and you could see as of 12/18, Ark owns 7.1 million shares of AquaBounty. And you could see here they've been adding every day, the 14th, the 15th, the 16th, the 17th, the 18th. So they're adding every day. That's how much they believe in this company. So that's a good sign. So if you're wondering, or if you're feeling like, oh man, AquaBounty's been on a run lately, it could be high. Well, Ark doesn't think it's high. Ark is still buying every single day. There's also a couple of things that I wanted to talk about. I'm going to add links to the description for my previous AquaBounty technology videos. It goes over, all the company fundamentals, their plan, their strategy. This video is just going to be an update what they've been having going on recently. So what do we know? We know that farm number 3 is going to be in Mayfield, Kentucky. Kentucky is within a 1-day drive of almost all U.S. major markets. So that results in a reduction in the carbon footprint on the transportation, plus a fresher product. So that was good. We also know that the electric and water bills in Kentucky are very efficient. So this is a great place for farm number 3. Very exciting stuff. We just got the first harvest was in June. That's great. We should see products on the shelf before the end of this year. We're also waiting for news on farm number 4. We know that they're looking for a partner in Israel for farm number 4. So we could be expecting news there. It could be any day, any week, any month. It could be any time now at this point. We had trials in China, Brazil, and Argentina. So we're looking for that as well. Farm number 3 is going to be a 10,000 metric ton facility that is much that is a nice step forward. But their long-term plan, or what they're planning on, and I think it's 5 farms in the United States by 2025. Between 3 and 5 farms is the target. They're looking to really ramp production up. They're looking to scale. This is going to be a boom or a bust with this type of pace, and it could be happening quick. This could be one of the last opportunities that you get to get Aqua Bounty at such a low price, but it also may not. This is a long-term investment, and I wanted to be clear about this. There will be more share dilution. That much we know. There just was a public offering just a couple of weeks ago that closed. We do know that, well, at least I voted last month for share dilution from 50 million shares to 80 million shares. So at some point, we're going to be at 80 million shares. So if you're looking for a short-term swing trade, or if you have, if you got weak hands, if there's no other way to say, if you're not a growth investor, if you don't have the stomach to be a growth investor, this may not be a trade for you. If you buy it today at $9 and it drops to $7 and you're going to sell, this may not be a trade for you. So keep that in mind. There will be dilution. I cannot stress that enough. But if you're looking for a growth stock that you're going to stick with for the next 1, maybe 2, 3 years, this is a great investment. This is one of my favorite companies that there is. This is my favorite growth stock. I'm going to be exercising those call options that I talked about in my earlier videos and in this video to build a position. I want to have a couple thousand shares of Aqua Bounty. That's how much I believe in this company. If you're still watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for future content. Let's talk stocks in the comments section. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching.